Hi everybody, it's Miss Ulrich and I am in the music room here today to demonstrate the bucket drumming routine for the song It's Up to Us. This bucket drumming routine is quite simple because we don't have as much time to prepare for our performance, but there will be 4 different ways that you can make sound using your buckets or your drumsticks. 1, stick clicks. The center of the bucket has its own sound. The sides of the bucket sound different. And then the rim of the bucket has a much harder sound. So we'll be using all 4 of those. If you have a bucket, that would be awesome to use, but you don't have to have drumsticks. You could use 2 wooden spoons, a couple of rulers. So let's get going. I'm going to turn on the music and I'm just going to run through the whole routine, and you can play back the song as often as you need to practice the bucket drumming routine. There it is. So hopefully you'll get a chance to practice it over and over again till you get really good at it and you don't need to look at me anymore and you can just do it on your own. Good luck!